Venina mai kako o no Keone, mai nan kuli mai au, a kaike manawa ke nohone wa ma Eva Beach. This is a poem that I wrote for a class here at LCC when I was coming to LCC for a kumpi'ikea's class. It's called I Am From. We're basically told to do a poem about where we were from. They had a rubric, for example, start off with your name and then go on to where you live, etc. And I wanted to do it in more of a traditional Hawaiian fashion, although it's in English. I did use a lot of kaona and metaphor, and you're gonna notice that. There's a lot of meaning involved in it, and it's, again, all in kaona, all in metaphor. I won't give it all away because then it wouldn't be what it is anymore, but just for an example, the roaring hammers that ceaselessly pound the corpses of the hidden cities and the bones of mighty fire. I'm talking about where the ocean meets the sand, you know, the beach. The roaring hammers obviously are the waves. The corpses of the hidden cities would be the sand, the bones of fire, the sand, because the sands that we have in Hawaii are the white, the green, and the black. The white comes from living creatures, from the shells of creatures that were once alive, the corpses of the hidden cities, the cities being the reefs. The black and the green sand is from the hard stuff left over from the volcano after the lava's solidified, the bones of fire. And that's pretty much how the entire poem goes, so you're welcome to take a guess for yourself as to what it is I was talking about. Mahalo.